Technological revolution is vital for any nation which has a keen focus on growth. The world is evolving rapidly through unique and innovative concepts in the technical domain, shaping our present and future. Adding flight to every technical solution is a name that spells commitment and focus. Aditech is such a name in technology service providers in India, which has been at the core of providing major control system mechanism and other industrial computerized solutions. Since its inception in the year 2005, Aditech ICT Private Limited has become one of the leading technology service providers in India, offering world-class solutions through leading-edge technology. Aditech has created a client-centric ecosystem. Aditech is a distinguished IT service provider whose innovative products have found applications in boiler automation, port automation, pharma, friction welding, thickness gauging machines, defense, digital cinema, retail outlet automation, integrated production management systems at Tata Motors Pune, and many more applications in our day-to-day life. Aditech has managed to harness the power of latest technology and offer products like embedded flash disk, industrial display monitor, industrial PC, M-SATA flash disk, railway box PC, wide temperature RAM, EN50155 IP67 Ethernet switch, rugged box PC RPC 148, rugged box PC RPC 2800, industrial converters, industrial motherboards, to name a few. We also provide customized machineries as per the requirement of customers for smooth functioning. Offering world-class services requires collaborations with the best-in-league suppliers. Aditech has formed an indomitable bond with some of the leading names in the industry like Aplex Technology, Innodis Corporation, FSP Group, Bose Technology Company Limited, and Antira Technologies Taiwan. Aditech Technologies has been surpassing client expectations from the past 10 years. Offering leading-edge technology, core engineering experience, Aditech showcases the skills to deliver the most appropriate solution as per customer requirement. Aditech has been one of the primary tech solution providers to Tata Power, Tata Motors, BARC, Forbes Marshall, Siemens, Infosys, HCL, Hyundai Motors, Tinkin India, Ranbaxy, Sun Pharma, Emerson Process Management, and many other companies in India.
We are in the process of building our software division. Our core strength is to manage offshore development teams using Scrum and Agile methodology.
We focus on customer requirements and offer most appropriate solution for their applications, on time, cost effective, and of highest quality. We believe in developing long-term relationships with our customers.
The organization focuses on quality and manages it at every stage of production. The 4,000 square feet office at Rabbale is equipped with all the state-of-the-art machines and a highly qualified technical staff. The stringent quality checks and perfectly executed installation process makes Aditech a front-runner in quality. Aditech ICT Private Limited aims to be the top-of-the-mind industrial technology service provider in India by harnessing the best-in-class technology to consistently exceed customer expectations. Since 2005, Aditech has been the invincible force that has kept your world in motion by providing complicated technical solution equipments. All these initiatives at Aditech Industries make it a leader, a champion, and a front runner in technology service provider.